You want to know some stuff about me? Disney Cruisers, welcome to the channel. I'm Ashley. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing if you love Disney cruising or are planning your Disney cruise. And if you are returning to the channel, then give me a big thumbs up down below so I know that you're here. This video is going to be all about me because none of the other ones are, right? Not. I figured that it'd be good. We have a lot of subscribers now for me to let you know who is talking to you and why you should like me. No, but for real, you should like me. Oh man, I don't know why some of you are subscribed to this channel. 5 things today I'm going to share with you, and one thing you're going to smile and it's gonna be like, that's so cool. But then you're gonna be like, that's so lame when you see it. The first thing that I would like to share with you is I have not had caffeine to drink in over a year and a half. Now I'll eat caffeine like if it's in a piece of chocolate, because hello, who gives up chocolate? Obviously, most of the time I don't seem like I need caffeine, but I really do miss it and I struggle with it a lot, and it's really hard on a Disney cruise to not drink caffeine. Luckily, Disney lets you bring on packaged food and beverages, so I always bring on little bottles of diet caffeine-free Pepsi, and then I also bring a box of decaffeinated tea bags for hot tea in the morning when I want it. Another thing about me is that I am a certified teacher, but I'm not just certified in one state. I'm not just certified in 2 states, but I'm certified in 3 states to teach your children. 3 states let me teach your kids. All right, a third thing about me going along, the fact that I have 3 state licenses to teach. I've moved a lot. I have moved 8 times since out of college. Like, that doesn't even count college. So I had my first apartment, and then when my husband and I got married, we moved into a house together. That was in Ohio. Then we moved down south for his job, and we lived in an apartment there. Then we left there and we went to Kentucky so he could do seminary there. So there we lived in a rented out duplex, and then we lived in a rental house for, not kidding, not even a month. Didn't even like have to make a monthly payment. We just like had a deposit. He got a job down south again. So we moved into an apartment, and then we bought a house and we lived there for 4 years. And then we bought a second house this last year. So I've moved 8 times. 8 times in my adult life. The fourth thing about me is that I got married on July 7th of 2007. So it was 07. How cool is that? When does that ever happen? I mean, I know you can like actually figure out how many times that happens. Once every, I don't know, once every century, I think. Not millennium, no. Once every century? Yeah. Don't know why 3 states let me teach your kids math. Don't know that. But anyways, we honeymooned in July at Walt Disney World for a whole week. That was in 2007 when the economy was like, no one was coming to Disney World, and it was so magical and wonderful, and they would keep Magic Kingdom open, like they had extra magic hours till literally 3 a.m. We would be riding Splash Mountain from like 1:30 a.m. to 3 a.m. nonstop. We wouldn't even get off. We would just keep going around in circles. It was absolutely amazing, but because we'd stay out till 3 a.m., we then would sleep till like noon, and that threw everything off food-wise, and we ended up eating at Planet Hollywood like for every meal. All right, now this last thing that I'm going to tell you about me is that I can play a viola. It's not a violin. It looks like a violin, but it's deeper than a violin. I've been able to play it since I was like 11 and a half. I've been practicing, and listen to this. You'll love this. Look what I just did. So there you have it. 5 things about me that you didn't know until you watched this video. So if you want to learn more about me or you like these type of videos, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll tell you more about my fabulous life and all the things that I love, or just random facts about me. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video, cruisers. If you want to learn more about Disney cruising, then you can certainly check out all the other videos on my channel. There are a billion gajillion, and I hope that you enjoyed them and learned something new. I love reading your comments. Keep them coming. You guys are always making me smile. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, cruisers.